Yo, what's up guys? How are you all? Welcome back to our channel, Kalimay Online, the channel that brings you something to learn and happiness. Yes, happiness. Just after watching this video, you have to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated every time we have a video, and happiness will come to your life. Okay guys, our video for today is all about how to have a eBay account and how to register, because a lot of my viewers are asking me how and where to sell a coin. That's why I decided to make a video tutorial, and this is it. I'm gonna show you how, guys. Just stay tuned and watch till the end. Okay, let's start. Just go to Google search bar and type the eBay link here. Then wait for the next page, and you have to click this one. Then in this page you will see continue with Facebook, and continue with Google, and continue with Apple. I prefer to continue with Google because now I don't have a Facebook. Just click with continue with Google, but it's up to you guys whether you want to continue. I just decide to continue with Google. It's up to you. Just click and loading, and this page will appear. And again guys, just click continue with Google. And now here in this page you will see your Gmail account. So just choose what account you want to use to register in the eBay. So I prefer this one, the upper part. Then in this page you have the option to change the Gmail account, but just continue anyway, and you have to scroll it down and hit register. Just wait, it's loading. Then there will be a verification code, so you have to input everything correctly. Just here, copy the captcha correctly, and after typing, double check it and click the register. And it says we notice a problem, please review. If these things happen guys, I think you got the wrong verification code, so you have to do it again. Just make sure guys it's correct. 187081. Then again register. Here guys, you have to put your postal code, then city, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Then scroll it down, select your region, Bulacan, then your address. And after putting all the information guys, also your cell phone number, just put your cell phone number, and after that click continue. And now just wait for the next page, and now the eBay will welcome you. Continue, just continue with Google guys. Then choose the Gmail account, the one that you use. Then finally guys, we made an eBay account. So we can now sell everything we want. Just look for selling, then this will appear. Just continue anyway, guys. And here now, guys, we are ready to sell everything. Just click this an item, and then after that, in this page you will see tell us what you're selling. So we have to choose what items we want to sell in eBay. So you have to look for the coins, because a lot of my viewers asking me to how to sell a coin. So browse categories, you should choose coin. And after putting the browse categories, this will be the last page. In this part, you have to put everything about the coin you want to sell. All the information should put properly. You just have to follow all the instruction. Right now, guys, I will no longer show you, because at this moment I don't have a coin to sell, but at least, guys, I have given all the instructions. And after putting all the instructions, just scroll down and look for just scroll it down, guys. We're just looking for the here. Just click the list item and you're done. Alright, guys, I'm hoping this video would help you and will guide you for those who want to sell their old coins. So just follow this tutorial, guys. So, and to those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to able to notify if I have a new content. So hanggang sa muli, guys, salamat sa inyong panonood. Until next time, I'm out.